Hi you guys. So for class today, first thing I want you to do is check your homework. So the key is posted on our Moodle page. There's also a copy up front. Once you've checked your work, fixed any mistakes, then I want you to work on the predicting products practice worksheet. It's a front and a back. There's a key up front again, but please finish it before. You can hand it in today if you finish it before you leave. Otherwise, it's due Monday. And then finally, the precipitation reaction lab sheet is up front. And I want you guys to set up your pre-lab in your lab notebook. So you will need a title, the purpose, pre-lab questions, procedure, and then get your data table set up. So on Monday, you are ready to do the lab right away and hopefully finish the write-up before you leave. So for our question of the day, you predicted the products of a couple different types of reactions. So the first one is a metathesis or a double replacement. I know this because it's two compounds. So double the compounds, double the replacement, right? So in this case, our magnesium and our silver are swapping places. So I'm going to show my work here. Magnesium is a 2+, and it's going to be with the nitrate, which is a 1-. And my silver is going to be, which is a 1+, is with my chloride, which is a 1-. So when I do this, I end up with magnesium nitrate, Mg, NO3, and I know that anything with nitrate is aqueous. And I end up with silver chloride, AgCl. And normally chlorides are soluble, except with some of the heavy metals like silver. So this one is going to be a solid. Sorry, I'm running out of space here. When I go back in balance, I need 2 of my Cls, and then that causes me to need 2 of my silvers. Okay. Next, I'm going to use the activity series to predict the products for the following displacement reaction. So when I do that, remember I'm looking up the single element on my activity series. Silver's near the bottom, and I'm going to see, is it above or below copper? So ideally, or what it's supposed to do, silver's going to kick out copper. Now in this case, copper is above silver, and so this reaction will not happen. So I'm going to write no, NR for no reaction. In our second one, the potassium is looking to kick out lead. So I'm going to find potassium. It's up near the top of my activity series, and it's above lead. So this is actually going to happen. So lead gets kicked out to form a solid, and then it's not diatomic, so just Pb. And the potassium is going to combine with the nitrate to form KNO3. And then I need to balance. So I've got 2 nitrates on this side, so I need my 2 here, which makes 2 potassium. So I need my 2 on the reactant side, and I am balanced. So again, you guys, today you are going to be working on predicting products. The front side is identifying the type and balancing, and then the back is actually predicting those products. And then in the precipitation reaction lab, you're going to be predicting some products of a double replacement reaction and looking at those solubility rules. As always, email me if you have any questions.